How to fix the first Descendant freezing or shuttering on PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you some of the methods that you can use in order to fix the first Descendant low FPS drop issue. So in order to do it, you first need to do is to update your GPU's driver. So sometimes outdated graphics driver can cause performance issues including shuttering. So you need to visit to the GPU manufacturer's website or use dedicated apps like NVIDIA, GeForce Experience or AMD Radeon software to get the latest drivers update. Then you can try to repair the game files. So corrupted game files can lead to shuttering. If you are using Steam, then you need to right click on the first Descendant, then go to properties and then select verify integrity of the game files to repair them. Then you need to close the background applications. So while running the first Descendant game, you need to make sure that you are not running multiple applications in the background as it is going to impact the performance. So you need to open the task manager or right click on the taskbar and then you need to end the unnecessary tasks to free up some system resources. You need to remember that even with the top tier hardware, shuttering can occur. These steps should help you to improve your gaming experience. So these are some of the methods that you can try to fix the freezing or the shuttering issue in the first Descendant game. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.